Today we are looking at a 2010 Multus B750W CNC multitasking turning center. This machine is currently set up not to turn, just to turn for a milling operation. However, if you wanted to inspect the machine, this could be adjusted so you could see full range. Please excuse the glare in the video. The door must be closed in order to operate. This machine has through spindle coolant as well as a steady rest of 16-inch capacity. Let's tune in and listen to the machine run.
So right now it's turning at 5,000 RPM. Right now it's turning at 5,000 RPM. There you go. Okay, now take a picture of this that shows 5,000.
SB.
So 5,000 is the top on this machine for the milling. Okay.
This machine includes a 24-inch 3-jaw hydraulic chuck on the main. X-axis travel is 42.52 inches. Z-axis travel is 126.4 inches. Y-axis travel is 25.9 inches. And C-axis indexing
250 RPM
for both the first and second spindle is 0.001 degrees.
So I go up the screen?
You can, yeah.
I can't spin this side over here, but I don't want to much more on 100. So
Yeah, I don't think that's no. You can just turn it a little like that.
This machine is 80 ATC and has Capto C8 tooling. No tool holders will be included. The main spindle has an 11-inch hole and the sub spindle has an 8.6-inch hole. The machine comes with a standard milling head as well as 3 long bar attachments that are at various lengths. The swing over bed is 41.34 inches. The turning diameter is 36.2 inches. Here we can see a tool change. The turning length is 126.4 inches and the distance between spindles is 136.9 inches. Now let's tune back in and listen in.
Just a holder.
And then the other question is, if we get somebody for this, how long would it take you to let it go? Do you want to go like right away, or do you have work you got to
Get the riggers in here.
I'm letting you right away.
Fast as you get the riggers in here.
That's going at 5,000.
Gotta wait till
The machine is a rigid 49,800 pounds. Here you can see one of the long bar heads switching out. For a bit more information on the machine, the spindle speed of spindle 1 is 1500 RPM, spindle speed for spindle 2 is 2000 RPM. Both spindles' horsepower is 50 horsepower. The B-axis head indexing rotates for 150 degrees, and the B-axis milling spindle speed is 5000 RPM. As always, if this machine is of interest to you, please contact Bid Specialists Inc. today. You can call Rick at 978-884-1785 or Emma at 978-590-6726. Also, please check out our website at www.bidspecialists.net for all your used equipment needs. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we hope to hear from you soon.